Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Rachel Galan, 26 years old, and I have a baby. And I have experience to work here in the Philippines, take care of a baby since birth, and also have children 6 years old, and also have experience in the special child 12 years old, and also the elder is 85 years old.
Okay. Is it a woman or a man?
A woman.
Okay. So, since aside from taking care of them, what is your other duties?
I know how to cook, to clean the house, take care of pets, and also, ma'am, washing the clothes in the hands, also in the washing machine.
Okay.
And I can tutor your children also and play with them.
Okay. So, what is your main reason why you want to work in Hong Kong?
Ma'am, for my future of my baby, ma'am.
Okay. So, finally, can you give the message to your future employer?
Ma'am, sir, I promise to work hard, and also, ma'am, I promise and honest. I am honest, ma'am.
Can you promise also to be loving and patient to their children?
Yes, of course, ma'am.
Okay, so can you promise also to obey their rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you promise also to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am. I promise to finish my contract.
Okay, so hopefully that you will be hired in Hong Kong very soon. Before we end this interview, kindly show your very best smile.
Yes. Thank you.